Choosing the right baby bottle is important for your baby's comfort and health. Two of the most popular options are Philips Avent and Dr. Brown's, each with unique features. Understanding their differences can help parents pick the best bottle for feeding and reducing colic or gas. Philips Avent bottles feature a simple air vent system built into the bottle that helps prevent the baby from swallowing excess air, promoting more comfortable feeding. They have a classic, wide neck design that makes filling quick and easy, and they are lightweight for convenient handling. Avent bottles come in various sizes and are thoughtfully designed to provide a more natural and comfortable feeding experience for babies. Dr. Brown bottles use a more complex internal vent system designed to reduce colic, gas, and spit-ups effectively, ensuring smoother digestion. They have a narrower, cylindrical shape, and the removable internal vent allows for thorough maintenance and easy sterilization. These bottles are built to support consistent feeding and help babies feed comfortably with minimal discomfort. Avent bottles come with soft, wide nipples that closely mimic the shape of a breast, making it easier for babies to switch between breastfeeding and bottle feeding. They also offer different flow rates to suit newborns through toddlers. This design helps provide a more natural feeding experience for infants. Dr. Brown bottles also offer a variety of nipple flow options, but their nipples are slightly firmer. This firmness can be helpful for babies who have trouble latching onto softer nipples. It ensures a steady flow and makes feeding easier for certain infants. Cleaning Avent bottles is simple because they have fewer parts and a wide opening, making them easy to wash by hand or in the dishwasher. Their straightforward design saves time for busy parents. They are made from durable BPA-free plastic or glass, ensuring long-lasting use and safety for babies. Avent bottles are also generally more affordable and widely available, making them a convenient choice for most families. Dr. Brown bottles require more effort to clean due to their internal vent system, which has multiple parts that need to be washed separately. They are made from BPA-free plastic or glass, with glass versions being particularly durable and long-lasting. These bottles tend to be slightly more expensive, but the extra cost is often considered worthwhile for babies prone to gas or colic. Both bottles are excellent choices, each offering unique advantages. Avent bottles are ideal for parents seeking simplicity, easy cleaning, and affordability, while Dr. Brown bottles are well suited for babies prone to colic and digestive discomfort. Ultimately, the best bottle depends on your baby's needs and your family's lifestyle, ensuring comfortable and stress-free feeding times.